come help me with JJ?
Yeah.
I hate that. Look, you got a cute little curl going, JJ. I don't have food.
JJ, why are we just piling the crap over here?
I just wanted to get it in one area. I don't know where to pile it.
It's useless. You need to put a wheelbarrow in here.
Sorry, guys. I might have eaten all y'all's food. No, I'm just going to keep it the same pile. Shoot.
I'm tired of petting JJ.
Oh, okay. I figured. That's an exhausting job.
So tired.
All right, we don't usually milk the goats, but since we got rid of their babies, we had one baby with Oreo, one baby with Buttercup, we have to milk them. So they're a little difficult because they're not used to being milked. So that's why I get the big strong man to do it.
She's like you.
What?
A lot of milk comes out.
I was a good producer, yeah.
You can milk anything.